I'm walking up this incredible driveway in the centre of the Teme Valley because I've got the opportunity to give you a peek at these fabulous new properties at Stanford Park. They have been carefully and intricately put together to create spacious, sumptuous and succulent living without compromising on the energy efficiency of nearly 3,000 square foot of accommodation. The generous ground floor accommodation flows around this magnificent central solid oak staircase. It rises to a large galleried landing with an incredible view over the surrounding farmland. Up here, there are 5 beautiful bedrooms and this luxurious family bathroom. The Laura Ashley kitchen is a showstopper. Its shaker units are set under a white marble surface and it has many hidden appliances. It's absolutely divine. For more information about these incredible new build properties, don't hesitate to contact me in the Andrew Grant offices.